Hello, my kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Sullivan here. I'm sorry I can't be with you live on the computer today, but I have a video recording of your lesson and your activities today. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you. And we're going to talk today a little bit about how a computer has parts to it, just like our body has parts. Like we have hands, and we have a head, and we have arms and legs. A computer has parts too. Like a computer has something that helps us to hear, like our ears help us to hear. A computer part, like headphones or speakers, help us to hear what's going on a computer. A computer also has something that helps us to see, like our eyes help us to see. A computer monitor helps us to see. And the monitor, boys and girls, if you look behind me, you see those black boxes? Those are all monitors that are attached to the computer. And if those are off, we can't see anything. But if you turn your monitor on, it helps you to see what's happening on the computer. So here's a Chromebook. When you open it up, the top part that you're looking at is the monitor. It helps you to see. A computer also has things like hands, boys and girls, that help to pick up and control things, like your keyboard and your mouse. That helps you to control the computer. So we have ears, computer ears, like headphones and speakers. We have eyes, like a monitor, and hands, like a keyboard and a mouse. I'm also going to show you, boys and girls, what a computer brain looks like. The brain of the computer is this little tiny square. It has lots of circuits and wires that connect to each other. It's called a CPU, or a central processing unit, but it's the brain of the computer. Today, boys and girls, you're going to use your brains to play a game where you are going to sort and count and compare. And the game is called Fuzzbugs. And these are Fuzzbugs. They're cute little, puffy little creatures. And they're going to give you some important words in this game to help you play. And here are your two first important words. This word that starts with an L says least. And you'll notice there's one fuzzbug there. This word that starts with a says most, and you'll notice that there's many fuzzbugs. So least, most. Least, most. So least means a small number. Most is like many. Here are two more words that are in your game, boys and girls. Largest, smallest. This dog up here is large, and large means big. And this little dog down here, this puppy, is small, tiny, or little. So largest, big, smallest, tiny, or little. Here are two direction words, boys and girls. Left, pointing to the left, and right, pointing to the right. Your left hand, boys and girls, when you go like this, it makes an L shape. Your right hand is the one that goes on your heart when you pledge the flag. Left, right. And then we have top of my head, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So those are some important words for this game, boys and girls. Now your teacher is going to put the link in your chat box, just like we do in computer class. So you're going to look down at the bottom of Zoom for your chat box, and you will see the link. The link today, boys and girls, will take you right to the kindergarten computer class, which looks like this. You'll see your learning target over here, your I can statement. And I hope that you can get to this computer's Google site by using your mouse and your keyboard and you're going to play a game called Fuzz Bugs, which is right here. There's a little yellow star next to it. So you're going to take your arrow, your cursor of your mouse, point it at this big box with the jars on top and give it a click. And it's going to send you to your Fuzzbug game, counting, sorting, and comparing. And when you do this game, boys and girls, and you finish the game, at the end of the game, you get to create your own Fuzzbug. You get to choose a color, and then you get to put a design on your Fuzzbug, like stripes or zigzags or polka dots or stars, and you can make your Fuzzbug very fancy, and then you get to play the game with your Fuzzbug. So I'm going to press the triangle to play.
And comparing.
There they are. They're counting, they're sorting, and they're comparing. I'm going to press play.
Sort the Fuzzbugs by color.
And make sure you have your headphones on for this game, or if you're listening to your speakers, boys and girls, because at the top, they will read the sentence to you.
Sort the Fuzzbugs by color.
If you did not hear what they said, all you do is click this orange little box up here,
Sort the Fuzzbugs by color.
and they'll repeat it for you. So you can see I have 4 jars up here. This one has a purple rim. This one has a green rim, a black rim, and a yellow rim. And I'm going to sort them by color. So I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen and pick up the Fuzzbug and drag him. I'm holding on to my mouse right now, and I'm going to put him right next to that yellow jar. And he'll pop right in. So you don't have to put him all
Careful.
top. You can if you want. But I think sometimes he falls out.
Where do I go?
Put it right in front instead. See how they bounce in?
Put me in the
I'll try one
right
of these
spot.
this time. Let me see if I can pick up a purple. So all I'm doing, boys and girls, is holding on to the Fuzzbug with my mouse,
Where do I go?
dragging it up, and dropping it in. So this is definitely a click,
Put me down.
drag, and drop.
Be careful.
And they usually give you
Be careful.
a little message like, be careful,
Put me down.
or put me down, because they don't like to be dragged, I guess.
Whoa.
But we need to
Be
sort them, so
careful.
we have to drag
Where
them.
do I
All
go?
right, so I'm gonna go quickly and finish dragging and dropping. Again, remember when you drag, you hold the side of your mouse down with your finger and just keep it pressed down.
Whoa. Put me down.
If you drop one or you try to put it in
Down.
nothing bad happens.
Put me in the right spot. Be careful. Be careful.
Let's count the number of Fuzzbugs in each jar. Tap a jar to select it.
So I'm gonna click on a jar, tap with my mouse,
Tap on the Fuzzbugs to count them.
and now you can see this number is 0, and I'm gonna tap and count.
1. Select
2.
another jar and count
Now
the
I see there's 2 in
Fuzzbugs.
this one.
Tap on the Fuzzbugs to count them.
I think this one has more than 2. What do you think? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select
7.
another jar and count the Fuzzbugs. Tap on the Fuzzbugs to count them. 1, 2, 3. Select another jar and
One jar
count the
left, boys and girls.
Fuzzbugs.
And you can keep track of the Fuzzbugs,
Tap
And
on the
which one you've
Fuzzbugs to
tapped?
count them.
because if I try to
1,
tap the
2.
same one again, it won't count it, because they know I've already tapped it. And see how they move a little bit?
3,
How you know I just tapped that one. 'cause
4,
they move.
5. Nice job! You counted all the Fuzzbugs. Select the jar with the least number of Fuzzbugs.
So least, remember if we think back to that little activity we did earlier, least, most, least, most. So I think I'm gonna want the smallest number, and my smallest is 2.
Select the jar with the most
Now,
Fuzzbugs.
most is the biggest number. So if I look at my numbers up here, the biggest one is 7.
Organize the jars in order from the least to the most number of Fuzzbugs.
So when they say organize, boys and girls, it means to drag and drop them down here So they are in order from smallest or least to most. So my smallest number, I think, is going to be my 2. So I'm dragging again. My greatest or most number is 7. That's the biggest, the largest. And then I have to figure out, well, let me see. I have a 4 and a 6. I'm going to put them in the wrong place to see what happens. Oh, did you hear that noise? So this one must be 4. Oh, it's 2, and then 4 is the next largest, and then 6 is bigger than 4.
Tap on a jar. Which fuzz bug is all the way to the left?
All the
Tap
way
on
to
it.
the left. That would be this guy.
Which fuzz bug is all the way to the right? Tap on it.
The hand that I used to pledge on the flag. That's this one.
Tap on the fuzz bug that is on top.
On top.
Tap on the fuzz bug that is on the bottom.
Bottom.
Tap on the largest fuzz bug.
Largest. Think of that. Largest puppy dog. Largest, smallest.
Tap on the smallest fuzz bug.
And remember, if you miss something, click up here and they'll
Make your very own fuzz bug.
Now I can make my very own fuzz bug, boys and girls. So I'm going to pick a color. I like orange. Then I'm going to press the next button. And now I'm going to pick a design. I can make him polka dotted, or striped, or zigzaggy, or I can put stars on him, or swirls. Ooh, I think I like that one. When I get one that I like, I press the check mark. If I don't want this orange color, I can go back and choose a new color. And when I get it to where I like it, I press the check mark. Now, let's try it again.
Sort the fuzz bugs by
notice
color.
my new fuzz bug is in there now. See? So this guy, and then you do the round all over again. All right, boys and girls, so that is your activity for today. You're going to sort, count, and compare those fuzz bugs. I hope you have fun with the fuzz bugs. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.